And my younger brother man, I not give nothing name trouble. When my sister call me, I tell me, say my brother dead. I say, no sir. And when I come up from me here, I cannot believe my man not give no trouble. No time at all. He run the cat in the market, in if he could think you're hustling for him, picking them or anything. You know, him no trouble make me now look for this year and last week, them at time them bury him brother. Now that's something I expect this year to go on. I mean, no matter the woman who in there with that no cause nothing, but others people are bad men and see him and just grudging to him in a life or something. And a working man. You know, me no believe that part. Then up till now, me too need them a walk. Me no believe that way they say they gone with my brother soul. This morning, me get up now the 4 o'clock hours. The day I hear my sister call me and say, Christopher, me say, yo, then kill my brother now. Me say, nothing no go so man. And after that now, me see one I go down and so me get to find out say something real. I when come over here now, me see the amount of crowd and tape line and so on. And he didn't want to ignore. After that now, me get to find out say he net pitch out. He say he can get shot in the head. And when me come here so now, now the man me see some form of blood and so on. And I say, yeah man, all farmer fly. You know, I expect him to go live and so on.
How old is your brother? Tell us something about him.
Well, I don't remember the age, you know.
But as a person, what kind of person?
I look say him about 43-year-old. Now they back it there. And me a 49-year-old.
As a person, how would you describe him?
Well, as a quiet, humble, slim guy, humble guy, no trouble. My everybody cooperate and my man running joke and I've been go and cat in the market, I've been go shop in the market. When the man evening time he gone out on the coast lane see away. I don't expect that for nobody to say, boy, I don't know if a grudging for what I do or what. You understand? A man just humble and he could think of keep him a man, he could support you and come back in. I've been family, I've been nice picking them. Right now I'm picking them right now when I'm here I go to them dads right now. I feel them feel right now to them dads.
I heard he was supposed to have an event this morning. Like
yeah, today.
Or a drink out.
A drink out right here, so. And then join them drink out party all the while a week, a year time or so on. And when we hear that now, I'm surprised to know that I know it's a boy today in drink out. And me and people are planning to support him. I first see this happening here. First, then I can tear down the bar them up here, yes, but I first this year shooting here, so pretty good time going in here. When I expect this. When I expect this, that's this other going in here. Last week, Saturday, my time, my brother go down. Rain and fall and my brother go down last week, Saturday, my time, and when his sister them, they are apparent here now. His sister them post everybody cut up about it, and you know, say, boy, I don't know, troublemaker, helpful. And when he come at your place, I see he have certain things, and he may help you. And if you ask him to help, he may help you see a way. I don't expect that from him, for nobody.
Very sad news for such an early in Saturday morning. Normally this is a very quiet farming community and I'm very concerned about the spate of murders in Manchester. Thursday at the council meeting we would have mentioned to the police and give them recommendations for keeping the crime down to a certain level. I think there's a 30% reduction in major crimes in Manchester. And to see immediately after that report, we got reports of 2 other murders within Manchester within the space of that 24 hours and now 48 hours after there's another murder. So we are concerned about the spike that happened this week. There are 3 homicides in Manchester for this particular week. So we hope that everything can be able to go back to the normalcy and some calm come back to the parish. I want to urge the citizens that we will do everything with the police to ensure that whatever spike is happening, that we can contain it. But I want to express my condolences to Omar's family because I was at his brother's funeral on Saturday. So this family is going through tremendous loss at this time. They just buried someone last week Saturday and now to see that somebody has died. And I just want to caution persons while they're at bars. There was a young dancer who was killed at a bar. Now Omar is being killed at another bar. So persons have to be vigilant while they're in the space of bars or community spaces. This seems to be a robbery.